What's up, guys? Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody doing out there today on Terrific Tuesday? I hope you are having a marvelous day today. If you're here for the first time, do me a favor and smash it. Smash the subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos for everybody else. Welcome back. Welcome back. All right, we're back. Go check out my projects if you have not done so at the link in the description, and it's on the screen here at www.coffeeandcoins.info. See what I got going on. So we're going to come back today just to talk about a program that I got started in, a digital marketing program. It launched March of 2024. Okay, last year we have been promoting this heavily, right? A proven blueprint that delivers results just using a 2-hour workday blueprint. Okay, of course we can't make any guarantees of what you're gonna make because we don't know your work ethics, right? However, there's been hundreds of people that have used it, including myself, that's gotten results from following the blueprint, step by step, newbie friendly, non-technical. We've got folks in this program from 18 to 90 years old, guys. Okay, so it doesn't matter where you are, you can get started. You can use this blueprint if you apply yourself. If you apply yourself and be consistent with it. It could work for you. The sky's the limit. All right, the possibilities are endless. So at any rate, I want to come back and show you the system. This is a third-party marketing system I'm using. This does not come with the program. However, there is a free system that does come with that. I'm going to put that link in the description, the marketing system that comes with it, with system.io. You can go check it out at www.thecopypastemethod.com. But today, I'm going to show you this third-party system that I've got, all right, that I'm using, that I'm really loving, because it's got so many pages here, so many tools you can use to help you promote the Legacy Builder program, digital growth community. All right, so here's my capture page. Let me just show you that right here. If you go to coffeeandcoins.info, you come here to this page, right? You're going to scroll down till you see this picture here. You're going to click it. It's going to take you here. All right, this is the capture page that I'm using. We have tons and tons of these pages, all right, in this marketing sales funnel. All right, with this program, you can earn up to $900 in daily pay. This is a direct sales member-to-member program. It's not network marketing. It's not MLM. There's no middleman. We actually have digital programs that you purchase that provides training on how to make money online. Okay, so this is a program. Okay, we're not just shuffling money around or payments around. You actually going to purchase a program, not a program that's just sitting in your dashboard. Okay, this is a full comprehensive program, all right, with step-by-step training, weekly training, interactive training, hands-on training, support, tech support, the whole nine. All right, so let's take a look at what we've got here. So this is the one of the pages that we have in the Simple Digital Success Marketing System, a turnkey marketing system exclusively for the digital growth community business builders, right? Again, this is a third party. Okay, this is a third party marketing system. Okay, so this is optional. You don't have to get this. But I wanted to do something a little different. I still am using the free system as well with some of the advertising that I'm doing. All right, so just wanted you to see this. So here we have it. There's a 2-minute video here you can check out. All right, Welcome, the SDS marketing system. It offers DGC business builders an opportunity to level up your prospect communications using technology. The comprehensive suite of tools and resources included will allow you to easily organize and manage your contacts. So it's a full turnkey system. Sales funnels, numerous capture pages, bridge pages, landing pages, video follow-up pages, okay? This expanded sales funnel allows you to share your story effectively with your prospects. So if you want to do that as well, you can do that. Otherwise, they have the videos, the sales pages that will do the selling, telling, sifting, and sorting for you. So you don't have to explain this stuff, right? This entertaining marketing system presents your business 24/7 while creating additional automated income. So this marketing system that we have here, you're going to join the Legacy Builder program. You're going to select from the products. Okay, there's 4 products here. Okay, that will be step 1. Step 2 will be to join this SDS marketing system. Okay, you get step-by-step training on how to set everything up. It's pretty simple. All right, just follow the videos. And then step 3, once you're set up, you can start promoting, all right, and sharing your SDS capture pages. And then once you start collecting leads, because that's the name of the game, the number one thing is to collect leads. You need to get people looking at the opportunity. The system will do all the selling and telling. Don't worry about that. Your job is just to get people to your capture pages, right? Then you can start earning, okay, instant commissions, 100%. Now, this system, this SDS system, offers easy access to additional prospect communication resources. You get the custom capture pages with new background images and text, in addition to a complete autoresponder. Okay, the system is going to send out emails on your behalf. You have the option to use your own or the pre-written ones that's already loaded in there. Okay, you can also tap into the power of text message marketing. Text message templates are provided. SDS members get access to the media library of videos, audios, images, presentations, and more. All right, the SDS video presentation, this is one of them. You know, give you an example, and it's animated. I like that, so it is entertaining. That does the presenting for you. All right, so the SDS video presentation is 24/7. It's the center of the system, created by independent marketers, not the company. Remember I said this system is not, this marketing system, this funnel is not a part of the Legacy Builder program. It's not included. It's an optional marketing system that you can purchase, right? So it offers you an alternative perspective and review of the product packages and the opportunity. SDS, this marketing system, includes additional fun, entertainment, and informative short videos throughout the prospect follow-up system, just like what you're seeing here, which is pretty cool. The system offers tremendous flexibility, allowing you to tell your story and quickly connect with your prospects. So you can do that as well, or just simply use the done-for-you system. SDS partners with Network Central. It's a powerful, full-featured marketing platform. Exclusive access to all the SDS content, okay, where you can see all that. You have a back office login, you have a mobile app, all of that to get the exclusive marketing pages for the Legacy Builder program. Now, also, it offers you a 2-tier affiliate program. This Network Central, this marketing system, if you share this with others, you can earn residual income, okay, on a monthly basis. All right, so take a look at this. Check it out. All right, and so they have this app, guys, and you can download the app from the App Store or the Google Play Store. Now, the company Network Central is going to give you a 14-day free trial. You can try this whole funnel out. The simple digital success system powered by Network Central. Simple two-step process. Sign up for 14-day trial. Okay. This is the technology that powers the whole system. It contains all the bells and whistles you need to automate your legacy builder business. Okay. Step 2, that's step 1. You're going to join here, get the free trial. Okay, check it out. If you decide to upgrade, great, and you share it with others, you're going to get monthly residual. All right. Step 2, after completing step 1, then you get your SDS marketing system. All right, which is what I have shown you guys previously, such as, let's take a look here. So if we go over here, this is Network Central, right? Your dashboard, and you've got all the pages in here. The SDS marketing system, right? This is for that. Then you have generic pages. I went over that with you guys as well. You've got generic pages in here that you can use for any business opportunity. Done for you, ready to go, pre-built landing pages. Here are the categories. Remember, we went over that before. So it's not just for legacy builder. If you decide, hey, you have a business right now that you said, hey, I'm looking for something specific, you know, I'm doing CBD or whatever. Look at the different categories: weight loss, software, travel, forex, whatever. You can come here, get the free trial, try it out for 14 days. If you decide you want it, great. All right, you can do that, and you can pick whatever specific. So these pages are specific to your niche, right? These, because they got like prepaid legal, any of those type of things, or the generic business opportunity pages. Okay, so it's legacy builder pages that they've created in here, and then there's pages for any industry that you may be a part of. All right. Again, this is the simple digital success business. So if you go down here, right, and you click, you say, well, yeah, I think I'm ready to get started. So what will happen? You click here to join the Network Central, right? And it's going to take you to this page. Take your business to the next level. As you can see right here, SDS partners with Network Central. This is the page you're going to see. Unlock your business potential. Start your free trial here, right? Go ahead and do that. They also have a limited time offer where you will receive $100 in free leads to grow and duplicate your network marketing business, right? So you can go ahead and get signed up right here. 14-day free trial. No risk, no long-term commitment. Cancel anytime, no questions asked, right? All right, and if you decide here, you click number 2, you say, well, I'm ready to get the Legacy Builder program, right? I'm ready for the Legacy Builder program. I want this whole marketing suite here. So you click that one, and it takes you here. All right. Buy the simple digital success marketing system for one-time $40. This purchase unlocks the powerful SDS sales funnel, including the capture pages, autoresponder, sales videos, and so much more. You must complete step 1, though, right? You got to get the Network Central. You got to go through that first, and you're required to keep the Network Central in order to have access and maintain access to these SDS marketing system funnels for Legacy Builder. Okay, that's what they're telling you here, so make sure you read it. Then it says ready to complete step 2. Great. Click the orange button below now, all right, to purchase the marketing system. Okay, that's how that goes. And then when you do that, it says Network Central member info. So fill that out and buy the system. Okay. That's how that will work, guys. All right. And that's from this page. So over here, so this is this page right here. All right. Now, so step 1 is buy your product. And then step 2 is get the marketing system that I'm talking about. So if you're ready to go ahead and start earning these instant commissions and get the training, get the program to teach you how to make money online, whether you're newbie or advanced, doesn't matter. All right, non-technical, click this button here, step 1. So you click it, check it out. It's going to take you here, put your info in, right? And it's basically going to take you to this page. Where is it? Hold on. Let me get this page. Hold on. Right, it's going to take you to the sales page so you can purchase the Legacy Builder program. All right, there's 4 programs here. You can get in where you fit in. You decide. I'm all in at the Legacy Builder program level, which is the $900 program right here, right? But they have several programs for you to select from. Okay, whether it's the Legacy Builder for $900 one time, this is a one-time payment. There's no monthly fees for the actual training program. All right, if you go all in and get all 4 programs, it's $900 plus $29 for your website. So you're looking at $929, right, for everything. But if you're not quite ready for the $900 commissions, okay, because remember, if you purchase the $900 program, you're going to be able to promote the 100, 300, 600, and 900, all 4. Okay, so those are the commissions you can earn. Otherwise, you can come down here and select from the other 3. The Digital Mastery is going to be $600, so it'll be $629. The Passive Daily Blueprint is $300, it'll be $329. Or the Launch Pad is $129. But remember, whatever level you're at, whatever program you purchase, that's what you can sell, right? So for me, I am the Legacy Builder. I'm all in, so I can make all the commissions, all 4. If you get the Digital Mastery, you're going to be able to make $600, $300, and $100 commissions. If you get the Daily Pay Blueprint for $329, you're going to be able to make $300 and $100 commissions. If you only purchase the Launch Pad, you're only going to be able to make $100 commissions. Okay, so $29 for the website, and then you decide which program you want. Okay, remember, you've got 24/7 live and interactive support and a community here to assist you. All right, you're not you're in business for yourself, but you're not by yourself. Okay, guys. So, and we have weekly lives, so that will help close sales too, because we have webinars as well that you can invite folks to, where the presenting and the selling will be done for you. And the presenter, the host, will have your prospects get back to the person that sent you here so that they can sign up with you. All right, so you don't have to, your job is just to promote, right? Like your capture page, such as mine right here, right? Send people to one of your pages, all right? And then let the system do everything, all the heavy lifting for you. All right, guys, that's it. That's all. Go check out the system. Get your 14-day free trial, and then get started. Learn digital marketing. Digital products is where it is. Okay, everything is gone digital. You're gonna have instant access to your purchase once you make your purchase. You're gonna receive an email from Digital Growth Community. Log in, and you'll have access to your products immediately, and you'll be able to join the community from that system as well, and you're in. Okay, and all you gotta do is follow the steps to get things set up. So with that being said, thank you so much for checking out the video. Like the video, please, and thank you. And on your way out, don't forget to smash that subscribe button for me, and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. Till next time, be safe out there. See you on the next video. Have a blessed day.